one-stop destination for detailed car reviews and automotive insights. Today, we're going back to the roots with a modern take on an iconic classic, the 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40. Toyota has brought back this legendary off-roader with a fresh new design, advanced features, and enhanced capabilities, paying homage to the original FJ40 while appealing to today's adventure seekers. So let's dive into what makes the new FJ40 an exciting and capable SUV ready for the wild. Exterior design bold and purposeful. The 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40 proudly embraces its heritage with a design that stays true to the rugged look of the classic FJ40. Toyota has managed to blend the vintage aesthetic with contemporary styling, creating an SUV that is both iconic and modern. Its boxy shape, round headlights, and prominent grille echo the classic FJ40 look, while the LED lighting and updated bumper design give it a 21st century edge. With an elevated stance, flared fenders, and large wheels, the new FJ40 looks ready to tackle any terrain. It's available in a range of bold colors that harken back to its heritage, including classic beige, forest green, and a few vibrant hues like yellow and blue. The blacked-out roof and roof rack add a functional touch, making it clear that the 2025 FJ40 isn't just about looks, it's about performance. With reinforced skid plates and off-road tires, the FJ40 has a tough exterior that's built to handle the challenges of rough trails and off-road excursions. Interior comfort, practical yet modern. While the exterior pays homage to the classic FJ40, the interior of the 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40 takes a modern approach, balancing durability with comfort. Inside, you'll find a well-designed cabin that's spacious, functional, and equipped with all the essentials. High-quality, durable materials are used throughout, including water-resistant fabric and rubberized floor mats that make cleaning up after a muddy adventure a breeze. The seats offer ample support and are designed with off-roading in mind, featuring heavy-duty bolstering to keep you secure on rough terrain. The dashboard has a straightforward, utilitarian design with a touch of modern technology. Toyota has added a rugged feel to the cabin, with chunky control knobs and a large central display screen that's easy to use. There's also plenty of storage space, including a roomy cargo area and multiple compartments for gear, making the FJ40 a practical choice for adventurers who need space for all their equipment. Its technology and infotainment high-tech meets adventure. Toyota has incorporated an impressive array of technology in the 2025 FJ40 to enhance convenience and safety without detracting from its rugged character. The infotainment system is a large 10-inch touchscreen that features Toyota's latest software, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is designed to be glove-friendly, so you can easily operate it even when you're geared up for an adventure. For added convenience, the FJ40 also includes Toyota's connected services, which provide access to remote start, vehicle status monitoring, and location tracking through a smartphone app. This is especially handy if you're venturing off the beaten path, as it allows you to stay connected and in control even in remote areas. A built-in navigation system with topographic maps is another great addition for off-roaders, helping you find your way on trails in unfamiliar terrain. Performance and engine options power to conquer any terrain. At the heart of the 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40 is a powertrain designed to deliver dependable performance on all types of terrain. Toyota offers two engine options, catering to different levels of power and efficiency. The first option is a 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 200 horsepower and designed for those who want a balance of power and fuel economy. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this engine provides smooth power delivery and solid performance for everyday driving and moderate off-roading. For those seeking more power, there's an available 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering over 280 horsepower, providing the muscle needed to tackle steeper trails and tougher obstacles. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving the FJ40 more control and power on rugged paths. Both options come with Toyota's renowned 4WD system and offer a low-range gearing option for intense off-road conditions, ensuring that the FJ40 lives up to its legacy as a true off-roader. Off-road capabilities built for the adventure. The 2025 FJ40 isn't just a nod to the past, it's built to be a serious off-road contender. It comes with Toyota's advanced multi-terrain select system, allowing drivers to switch between different off-road modes to match the terrain, from mud and sand to rock crawling. This feature optimizes throttle and traction control settings, providing maximum grip and control in challenging environments. Toyota has also equipped the FJ40 with crawl control, a low-speed cruise control system for off-road driving. This feature takes over the throttle and braking, allowing drivers to focus on steering as they navigate tough terrain. Additionally, the FJ40 has impressive ground clearance, approach, and departure angles that make it easy to maneuver over rocks and obstacles, while its heavy-duty suspension ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on the roughest trails. Safety features confidence on and off the road. While the FJ40 is built for adventure, Toyota hasn't forgotten about safety. The 2025 Cruiser FJ40 is equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense suite, which includes a range of advanced driver assistance features. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking, all of which make daily driving safer and easier. For off-road safety, Toyota has added hill start assist and downhill assist control, which are essential for steep and uneven terrain. There's also a 360-degree camera system available on higher trims, giving you a full view of the area around the vehicle, which is especially useful when navigating tight trails or rocky paths. With these safety features, the FJ40 ensures that both you and your passengers feel secure, whether you're on the highway or exploring the backcountry. Trims and pricing options for every adventurer. The 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40 is available in multiple trims, each offering unique features to suit different types of buyers. The base trim provides essential off-road capability and a robust engine, making it an affordable option for those looking for a no-nonsense, rugged vehicle. Moving up, you'll find trims that add more luxury and tech features, such as premium interior materials, advanced off-road modes, and enhanced safety features. Pricing for the FJ40 starts at around $40,000 for the base model, which is competitive in the off-road SUV market. The higher-end trims, with all the premium features and options, go up to around $55,000. This range allows buyers to choose the model that best fits their lifestyle and budget, whether they're hardcore off-roaders or weekend adventurers who want the added comfort and tech. Conclusion: the 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40, a new legend is born. The 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40 pays homage to the legendary off-roader while embracing modern technology and enhanced capability. With its classic design, robust performance, and cutting-edge features, the new FJ40 is built to please both fans of the original and a new generation of adventurers. Whether you're exploring rugged trails or simply enjoying a comfortable ride on your daily commute, the FJ40 is ready for anything. Thanks for watching this in-depth review on MotorMix. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Toyota Cruiser FJ40, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews and automotive content. Stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next ride.